With summer right around the corner, the City of Winston-Salem is eager to fill all of their open lifeguard positions. During a fully staffed summer, the city would typically employ about 80 lifeguards to keep a watchful eye on the city's 8 pools. According to Recreation and Parks, there are still about 20 open lifeguard positions.
All of our positions start at $15 an hour now. So a new lifeguard can make $15 an hour, and a more experienced lifeguard can make more.
If you've already received your American Red Cross certification, you can start working with the city without going through the training program again. But if you're not yet certified, the city does offer the certification at no cost through what is known as the SPLASH program.
We offer free lifeguard training to those that will work for 300 hours over the summer. They've got so that gives them between June 11th and August 14th, which is the height of our season. If they'll work full time during they can accomplish that very easily.
The last 2 summers have put a strain on the operation of the city's pools. This year, the city hopes to reach their 80 lifeguard goal and make a big splash all summer long.
We've had to close some pools, which we do not want to do. We've had to close certain days of the week or only open certain days of the week, and we've also had to kind of be very creative with our hours, opening and closing a couple times during the day. So hopefully we don't have to do that anymore.
If you're interested in becoming a lifeguard for the City of Winston-Salem, just visit the city website, cityofws.org, and search Be a Lifeguard. You do need to be at least 16 and, of course, be able to swim. City pools are set to open for the season on May 28th. For the City of Winston-Salem, I'm Daniel Cruz.